Hi everyone, my name is Josué Calderón. In this video, we are going to learn a little more about English grammar. But in this time, we are going to learn how we can use the adverbs in three forms. For example, the first one is as plus adverb plus as form. The second one is comparative adverb form. And the third one is superlative adverb form. With these three forms, we can start to work. So, let's go. First of all, the form that we are going to use right now compares actions, and this form shows us that these actions can be the same or equal, or that these actions can't be same or equal. For example, if you see, I have a sentence: Barcelona played as well as Chelsea. Right here I am using the form as plus adverb plus as. But in this case, I am using a positive sentence because I am getting same or equal actions, because I said Barcelona played as well as Chelsea. Barcelona and Chelsea play equal or same. But if we do a negative sentence, we are going to get not same or equal actions. For example, Barcelona didn't play as well or as hard as Chelsea. That means that Barcelona is here and Chelsea is here because they didn't do the same action. But if we are really sure that what we are talking about, we can use in a positive form this word, just. Barcelona just played as well or as hard as Chelsea. This happens when we are really sure. And here is a clear example how we can use this form and how we can use the adverbs. The comparative adverb form also compares actions and show us that an action is less or greater than the other one. That means that these actions never can be the same. For example, if you can see, it's almost the same sentence that we used in the last one. Barcelona played better than Chelsea. What happened here? We are saying that Barcelona do an action that is greater than the other one. And that means that exists a comparison between one group to the other one. But sometimes if we want to say a different meaning, we can do the next three forms. For example, we only can change the nouns. In this case, Barcelona goes to the final and Chelsea goes to the first, and that be a different meaning. Another way that we can use in a comparative adverb form is change the adverb that we are using, and we must use an opposite adverb. For example, the opposite adverb of better is worse, and the meaning is different because now we are saying that Barcelona played worse than Chelsea, and now the action is less. Or we can use the negative form of the form as plus adverb plus as. to show a comparison between both actions and between both nouns or things. If we use the superlative adverb form, we must know that this form compares one action with another actions. That means that some groups, people or things do an action that is in a higher or less level than the others, and we can understand that doesn't exist a comparison between both actions. For example, if you see that the first one says all soccer groups play well, but this "but" is a keyword. But Barcelona played the best. That means that all the soccer groups play maybe equal or the same or a little bit different, but Barcelona played the best. I'm trying to say that Barcelona can't be compared with the other groups, because if I say that Barcelona played the best, I am saying that all the other groups don't have the level of Barcelona. Right here we can note that doesn't exist a comparison. The second one says Barcelona played the most skillfully of any group in the league. In this one we are using this expression that is skillful, and we can use another adverb in both cases. For example, in the first one says the best. If we want to do a different meaning, we can use that opposite adverb to be the worst, and it's logical that it exists a difference. And in this one we can use another adverb, and that can be, for example, frequently. But what I'm trying to say, that in these actions, for example, we are using to Barcelona, in both actions the other groups can be compared to the Barcelona does. Why? Because they are in a higher level, or I think that they are in a higher level, and I don't consider that these groups can be or can do the same actions. And that is the way that we can use the superlative adverb form when we try to compare one action to the other and we think that that action can be compared with another ones.